Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Pod and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. We are in the web scraping playlist, and in this video we are going to learn about Firecrawl. What is Firecrawl, how to use it, when to use it, where to use it, why to use it, and how it is different than other web scraping tools. Also, what are the advantages and what are the limitations of Firecrawl? So everything we are going to cover in this video. This video is consisting of two parts. One is theoretical part and one is practical part. I will show you the live code and how the code works. I will put the source code file in my GitHub repository, which is provided in the description of this video. What is exactly Firecrawl? Firecrawl is a AI-friendly scraping tools. Means whenever you scrap any website, you get the textual data, but it should be AI-friendly. Means AI can track it very well because some websites may contain advertisements and all. Some websites contain JavaScript, so they are not extractable properly, and advertisement content is not relevant. So Firecrawl removes all this garbage and take the necessary genuine text only. It converts a clean Markdown. If you want JSON, it can convert JSON as well, metadata, links, images, and entire web crawling is there. It is not like limited to 5 paragraph or 10 paragraphs. The entire web scraping is done in web crawling and in a Firecrawl system. And it is specifically built for a RAG, AI chatbot, LLM applications, knowledge base creation. What knowledge base? Inside your AWS Bedrock. In upcoming videos, we are going to cover about AWS Bedrock as well. Document scraping is also there. So, how it is different than your traditional web scrapers? Because here in Firecrawl you don't need Beautiful Soup library, but in other tools you need to install Beautiful Soup first of all. Also, it is purely AI ready. It is so much faster than your Seleniums. It, it is very easy to use. It is AI ready. It gives AI ready output. No HTML parsing is required. It removes the ads which are present on the website. Other web scraper tools like extract the content present in the ad as well, so it creates unnecessary garbage. Then it removes JavaScript noise, like whatever the events and all present, they remove it. This thing is not possible if you are working with Beautiful Soup only. It handles dynamic websites for better basic scrapers, which are better than basic scrapper. Then it produces clean Markdown. It is great for RAG and it is cloud hosted. But it has some limitations like it requires API key, and if the free tier is exhausted, then you have to go for paid tiers, and they are costly, and you don't have much control on writing the custom Selenium scripts. You rely on the external services. Now, when you should use a Firecrawl, you have to use the Firecrawl when you are building AI chatbot, building the advanced RAG system. You want to scrap the entire documentation, blocks, or you want to create a knowledge bases, separate knowledge bases. You have to feed content to the LLMs, summarize the web pages, generate the embeddings, and put it into the vector database. Then you have to use Firecrawl. And when not to use, if you want to do some automation, like you have to click the buttons, interact with the web pages, like Selenium and Firecrawl, fill the forms or log into websites. You want to automate the browser workflow. For that, Selenium is useful. You want to download files, recurring user interactions, or scrap sites that blocks disallowed automated access. For example, CAPTCHA and also this are not done in Firecrawl. Okay, now I will show you the source code, and I will run the code, and I will show you how Firecrawl works actually. So let's move to another screen. So you can see here three files are there. .env your API key is present, Firecrawl API key, then app.py, then requirement.txt. You have to download, you have to install Firecrawl -py library, and in app.py file, this is the code like Streamlit ht, then BeautifulSoup, then load env, then Firecrawl app. This is your client. You can see we have generated a client. Then API key is present in this .env file with the variable named as Firecrawl API key. Then this is our title. Then this will be input text box, and this URL is already present as by default into that text box. You can change it. Then if you click on scrap button, then the Firecrawl client will activate, and it will scrap your URL and give format in Markdown. You can change the Markdown to JSON as well. This format you can change. Then MD is a variable result.markdown. Then you will see the Markdown and beautifully scrapped HTML content as well. Then there comes the three parts. One is Markdown, then one is render and plain text. These three tabs will be there. I will show you in the web frame. Then if tab 1, if there is tab 1, then in the text area, your Markdown output will be there, and the height of the text box is 400. Another tab is Markdown, third tab is this plain text. So I will just run this code. Here, Fire is the name of my virtual environment. Simply from app.py, hit enter. You will see this is what I am saying. This is the title name. As you can see, the title name Firecrawl Web Scraper. Then, if we go to one website, for example, wikipedia.com, and if we search Wipro, hit enter. And if we copy this entire URL and paste it over here, click on scrap, then within few seconds you will see the entire page is scrapped. You can see searching is complete, and this is the output, Markdown output. And these are the three tabs I was showing: Markdown, render, plain text. You can see uh, Markdown, render, and plain text. Okay, and this is the Markdown output. You can see these vertical bars, these vertical bars. So this is how Markdown happens. And this Markdown formatting is useful to the AI. Means if you are generating embeddings, and if you are doing some chunking, then for this chunking, from where we should chunk. So this Markdown helps a lot. That's why Firecrawl is a specialized, means it is different than other web scraping tools. You can see the entire website is scrapped, and there is no any advertisement content. If I go here, you can see Wipro Limited, Indian multinational company, and other technologies. So yeah, here you can see Wipro is a Indian multinational company consulting services. And a few interesting things I want to show you. Like if you go on render, then you can see uh, these images and all you can see, and history earlier shipped to IT, history earlier shipped to IT. Uh, then this beautifully extracted text is there. Then this entire table it is extracted. It has extracted. I will show you. This is the acquisitions. Oh my God, so many acquisitions are there. Okay, now listing and shareholding, employees. So everything whatever present in the Wikipedia site, it has extracted. Also, I will show you another important thing like plain text. So this is the plain text Wipro multinational company headquartered at Sarajapur Road, Bangalore. Uh, so means important things it has extracted. It has not extracted like everything. Then yeah, you can see headquarters are there, trade name is there formally. Means specifically like not all the text, specific things it has extracted, like key value pairs, you can see it has extracted. Another thing I want to show you in this Markdown, if you copy this URL and paste over here, you will see the image. This image extraction also done by this Firecrawl. So that's why Firecrawl is very interesting. Means it is like AI ready material. It is not like a human ready material. See, all the URLs are present only. But if you put all this data to the AI, if you put all this data to the LLM, then LLM will do the necessary things. For LLM, it is very much powerful and very much useful. So that's why Firecrawl stands alone, stands separately than other web scraping tools. Okay, so this is about Firecrawl, some extra additional features what Firecrawl has that other tools don't have. And you will of course notice why we should use Firecrawl for specific purposes. I will also show you how to create Firecrawl API key. So here just type Firecrawl API key, hit enter, and if you go over here, their app official key, then you will see the pricings. So 1000 credits per month. One credit is equals to one search, right? So whatever we have clicked on scrap, this is one search, this is one credit. So 1000 credits per month is free. Then 1500 rupees per month, you get 5000 credits, then 1 lakh, then 5 lakh credit. If you want to make a advanced RAG system where web scraping tools are also there, web scraping is necessary, then you can go over here as well, and various plans are there. Okay, then if you go to API keys, then you have to sign it up, and then you will get the API key. I have already created my account over here, that's why I have the API key. Okay, so that's it about Firecrawl. I have shown you uh, the theoretical part as well as the practical part of Firecrawl. If you found this video helpful, useful, if you like my efforts, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Better Call Paul. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye.